Guys, try natin tong trending sa TikTok na chicken game filter. How to play. So, soft voice to make the chicken move. Loud voice or scream to make the chicken jump. Let's go! Basic lang to sa akin. Patak, 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 patak! 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 Hirap pala. Patak, 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 patak! Patak, 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 putak, patak, 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 patak.